Join the Uganda National Agriculture Extension Week 2026 from April 20th to 24th at Silver Springs Hotel Bugolobi Kampala. Uganda is on the rise, with agriculture leading the way. Organized by the Uganda Forum for Agriculture Advisory Services in partnership with the Ministry of Agriculture, Animal Industry and Fisheries and the African Forum for Agriculture Advisory Services, this event unites farmers, extension workers, researchers, policymakers, agripreneurs, youth and development partners. Under the theme, Unlocking Uganda's Agriculture Potential, you will explore climate-smart innovations, digital advisory models, exhibitions, field visits, storytelling, and a dynamic deal room for bold ideas. With regional pre-events, national keynotes, and over 500 stakeholders expected, is your platform to connect, learn, and lead. Register now at www.UFAAS-ugandacf.org.